Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can keep track of your Apex pack, of how many Apex packs have you opened. There is currently no other way because EA still hasn't done anything to develop track our Apex packs, so all we have is Apex packs calculator, and I got a much better website for Apex pack calculator, so just go to this website, mike.zarendona.com, etc. So okay, so your count level, let's try and plug in 228 because I'm level 228 in my Apex account, and I have not purchased any Apex packs, and I believe I have collected 5. Once you input all of that, make sure you input this 2023 all these seasons, make sure you fill that out. I actually don't remember that anymore because I don't remember much. Once you plug that all in, you wanna go to progress, and as you can see, to our next heirloom guaranteed, it's 500. So I have currently opened only 124 Apex packs, sadly, and that is how you track how many Apex packs have you opened.